and a 1. And we're live. It's Sam and Lara, and it is the Martin Fowler Scrum. And well, welcome, Lara, to your first Martin Fowler Scrum.
Thank you.
It's early in the morning, so we don't usually have so many people around. Great to see you doing the Scrum. Now, you did Scrums as part of Craft Academy, yeah?
Yeah, that's correct. We did.
Yes. So the format is usually to go through and say, you know, what we're on, what we're blocked by, and so on. So the main thing, yesterday, Michael and I was writing a blog about it. We were working on memory issues for the Agile Ventures site, and then also some admin emailing functionality, and we made so some progress on both fronts. It sort of took slightly longer than I'd hoped, but yeah, that was the main thing, and I guess we're going to carry on that today. Although Michael's off to the doctor, so we maybe do that individually for a bit. The other thing is that the MOOC, that's the Agile Development Using Ruby on Rails online class, is going live today. So yeah, I've got a lot of bits and pieces to do with that. But yeah, that's most of the things I did. We're also running we're running these asynchronous voting on stories. I'm optimistic that this is going to allow us to get through a lot more voting on stories, and also keep people engaged at a distance, so to speak. But yeah, so we're doing that for both the local support and the Website One project, so that's quite fun. How are things going with you, Lara?
Yeah, good. Thank you. This is my first Agile Ventures Scrum, so quite excited to be in here. And yeah, I sat and watched yesterday, which you and Michael.
Yes, you did. Yes, we were very pleased to have you there. Yes.
Which was quite interesting, as I had no clue what was going on. But I'm sure as it goes, it will be. It will get easier and more understandable. So yes. I think I'm just going to keep jumping in and watching and learning.
Okay, great. And that sounds. And I think that was definitely the deep end yesterday that you came on. We were up to our elbows in it. And yes. So that sounds absolutely fine. I was just going to ask you: do you have a kind of? I mean, I think that's a great basis just to keep absorbing it, as Thomas has said many times. That's how he started off in Agile Ventures. Do you have other plans at the moment in terms of you're looking to try and move to a new job, or you've got like a period of what's your game plan for the next weeks and months?
So my game plan is to keep learning.
Yes.
I think after doing this course, I really enjoyed the Scrum part of it. So I think I'm going to do my certification as a Scrum Master.
Oh, fantastic! Yeah.
In the new year. And then take it from there. But I love coding, so I'm going to keep on doing that as well, and learning where I can, jumping in where I can.
Yes.
Still helping Thomas out on Craft Academy as well, just so that I can learn.
Great.
So that's my plan. I mean, I do run my own business.
I was going to say, you seem, obviously there's a lot going on, and so you're continuing to run your own business in the background.
Yeah. So it's been very tough here in South Africa. With our economy and stuff. So so you've got to keep on your toes and keep learning and keep changing with time. So that's what I'm doing.
Yeah. Oh, that's very helpful for me. Yeah, I think the Scrum certification in the new year sounds like an excellent idea. Right, and so I guess what you're looking for is just sort of keep building up the skill set. In the context, obviously, sort of juggling, spinning many plates, as us modern people do, building up more and more of the skills. And is there, I'm just out of interest, is there a particular, on the technical side, is there a particular thing that intrigues you, or you're just happy to see what makes up a big project?
I'm quite happy to see what makes up a big project, how it works from start to finish.
Right.
I enjoy building. I enjoy creating. So that's why I still want to stay in the development scene.
Absolutely.
So this morning I was watching a YouTube video on Rails 5 on all the new features, all the setup. So, and that still intrigues me, and I still love it. So, yeah.
Great. Yeah. No, I
just think for the future. With age as well, and younger minds come in. I think becoming a Scrum Master for because I'm getting older is a better career path.
Sure.
For the future.
Yeah. I think it's and we need. I think that they're very much in need, and you also, I think, and yeah, you're in the right place. And this is the whole kind of motivation of Agile Ventures is that rather than having isolated little tutorials that you do this, that, and the other, is that you can see the big picture and you can get involved in the Scrum or the coding or whatever interests you the most. Yeah, great. Exactly. Okay, cool. That's wonderful. So yeah, well, today it might be a little later before Michael and I start doing any pairing, but I'll be around on Slack if you want to ping me or you need anything else, you can ask in the professional develop room. And yeah, if there's at some point if there's a technical you want help getting set up with some of the software, just let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you when I see you. Yeah,
that's perfect. I see it's Marian. I don't know if I'm pronouncing his name. He's given me a task to do.
Oh, has he? Oh, fantastic.
So I'm going to jump onto that as well.
Oh, wonderful. Later. Is that in, and now which project is that on? Is that the...
let me see. It's for fixing the overlap volunteers ops-in map.
Oh, that sounds like local support.
Yes, it's a local, looks like local, yeah, it says local support.
Yes, oh, well, that's great. And that, I think, local support, I think, is probably an easier project to onboard to than the website one. And yeah, Marouane is he's based in Tunisia, and he's just great. He's come in and he's also a premium member, and but he's very skilled and yeah, great person. Glad that you've connected with him. Fantastic. Good stuff.
Sorry, that was actually you. That was actually your one that he sent to you. Sorry, my task was to set it up. Sorry, that would have been quite fun.
Oh, not to worry.
Working on your task.
Oh well, well that's it. One of the things we want. But it could have been a serendipitous positive event. I mean, all the things, particularly what we're trying to do with the async voting, is get everybody involved in the voting on these tasks and so on and so on. But yes, so yeah, I mean so local support website one, either one. Yeah, the key thing will be the key first step is getting the code set up and being able to run the tests locally. So yeah,
that's my task, is to set up.
Fantastic. All right, great stuff. Well, I'll catch up with you later in the day then.
Yes, definitely. Have a good day.
Ciao. Bye for now. Ciao.